morning everyone. I'm on the way papunta sa City Hall for my 5th day na yata. So today, bala kong mag-commute mag-isa because everyone is just overwhelming me these days. So I feel like I need a break and I need a time for myself. And I don't want any negative thoughts ruining the vibe right now. I mean, kanina may mga nangyari kagad because of my impulsive actions. But I have to improvise. I mean, the day is not over yet. And this is my fit. I'm very happy with what I look. Diba? Simple lang. Kasi cute naman. Ano lang? So, ayun. Sana maging successful tong araw na to just like the other days. I'm looking forward to doing things by myself and wala na akong pake sa isipin ng iba cause this is my life and I just want to focus on my well-being for now, mentally, first priority, and physically. So, happy rin ako kanina, naka-move ako. And I don't wanna go early pa ngayon kasi 7-Eleven pa lang. Pero maya-maya siguro and tatawagin na rin ako ni mama niya. Sabihin, umalis ka na, malilate ka na, mag-isa ka pa. Pero yun, I'm looking forward na madaming mga magagandang mangyari ngayon and maging worth it tong araw na to and sana makauwi ako mamaya nung walang dalang regret and hindi ako mag-binge. And that's all. I'm looking forward. Hello. Ginagawa ko yung asynchronous. And magla-lunch na rin ako. I'm hungry. Nga pa ako. Uwian na. Wala sasakyan. This shit, bro. I can come back for this every day. Look at this. It's Oreo. Mabibili lang sa kantin namin.
Kapon din ako online sa angkan mo. Kita ka uwi na kaya. Ako na plastic na.
Just look at that. No, this should be illegal. This should be illegal eh. Ang sarap. Ang sarap mo. Ito yung may ubos na. Ubos na. Hindi masaya. This is my ninth bread of the day.
Ako na.
Tapos ang lakas ko mag-complain na ang taba ko. Ako na to. I love bread. But I'm doomed. Kasi kahapon, nakakain ako ng 8 slice ng bread. Das white bread pa. Great. Patay ako. I love bread, bro. Watch me tumaba bukas. This is me after mouth harassing at least 10 different types of bread this day. And yesterday, I ate about 8 slices of white bread. I'm so fucking screwed. Like, balitaan ko na lang kayo pag natanggalan na ako ng paa. Pero joke lang. This is what I looks like. Oh gosh. I'm sorry. Like, I'm pregnant. 2 months na to, guys. I'm dead.